welcome to this moment, a sacred pause in your day, a space just for you to breathe, to release, and to return to peace. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, tense, or just in need of a reset, you are in the right place. Let's begin by arriving in the here and now. Gently close your eyes if that feels safe, and bring your awareness to your breath. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, inhale, slow and steady. Hold it softly and exhale with a sigh. Keep breathing this way. Begin to feel your body letting go, starting with your shoulders. Let them drop and melt away from your ears. Soften your jaw. Unclench your hands and relax your belly. With every breath, invite calm into your body and let go of tension, one exhale at a time. Imagine now that you are sitting in a peaceful, safe place. This space can be anywhere: a quiet forest, a cozy room, a warm beach. Let your mind gently create this sanctuary. Notice the colors around you, the light, the textures, the scents. Everything here is calm. Everything here supports you. With each breath, feel yourself sink deeper into this peaceful place, as if the world is softening around you. You are safe here. You are allowed to relax. You are allowed to just be. Now, bring attention to your feet. Imagine gentle roots grounding from the soles of your feet into the earth below. With every breath, these roots deepen, anchoring you, grounding you in safety and stability. If thoughts come, let them pass like clouds in the sky. No judgment, no pressure. Just breathe and come back to your feet, to your breath, to this very moment. Inhale, calm. Exhale, tension. Inhale, calm. Exhale, tension. Inhale, calm. Exhale, tension. Now imagine a soft wave of light flowing over your body. It begins at the crown of your head, gently melting away stress. This warm, healing light moves over your face, down your neck, and across your shoulders. Flowing down through your chest, your arms, your hands, down your spine, through your legs, and into your feet. As it flows, it carries away the weight of anxiety, replacing it with calm, presence, and ease. Gently repeat these affirmations, silently or out loud. Let each one sink in with your breath. I am safe in this moment. I am grounded and supported. With every breath, I find more peace. I trust myself to handle what comes. I am calm. I am centered. And I am whole. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present, back to your body, your breath, the surface that you're resting on. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Give yourself a nice hug if that feels good. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You've created space for calm today, and it's always within you. Carry this peace forward, gently and intentionally. You are not alone. You are supported, and you are deeply loved. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me for this guided meditation. I hope you're feeling more centered, calm, and connected. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more peaceful practices. For deeper support on your journey, including somatic energy healing and personalized meditation guidance, follow us at happinesswithmysticharmony.com. Until next time, be gentle with yourself and stay aligned with your inner